Assalamu alaikum. I am Sarut Khanum to join the online class of Ahmed Bauni Academy School and College. Good morning to my students and the viewers of online class of Ahmed Bauni Academy School and College. Today we will discuss on a grammatical item, a very common, very familiar item, but many of my students requested me to take a class to discuss on narration. Dear students, you have been doing narration from class 8, 9, 10, and now you are doing the same grammatical item, yet many of you have some problems. Today, I will discuss a narration that is direct and indirect speech. But this will not be an elementary or introductory class. It will be a general discussion, a sum up of the previous classes that we did in our classes. So, it will be a synopsis of our previous classes. So first of all, we have to keep in mind, we have to recollect the definitions of direct and indirect speech. What is speech? Look at the board. What is speech? Speech কি বাংলায় আমরা যেটাকে বলি উক্তি. Speech is communication through talking. When two or more than two persons talk between them, their conversation, their speeches express their emotion, their thoughts. এই যে তারা কথা বলছে একজনের সঙ্গে আরেকজন মনের ভাব প্রকাশ করবার জন্যে সরাসরি একজনের সাথে আরেকজন কথা বলছে, সেইটিকে আমরা বলছি কমিউনিকেশন থ্রু টকিং। একজনের সঙ্গে আরেকজন যোগাযোগ স্থাপন করছে কথা বলার সাহায্যে, এবং এইটি কিভাবে হচ্ছে? সরাসরি হচ্ছে, সামনাসামনি হচ্ছে, ফেস টু ফেস দে আর টকিং. They are expressing their emotion, they are sharing their thoughts through dialogues. These are the speeches. Speech কে আমরা usually দুটো ভাগ করি, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech কে আমরা দুটো ভাগ করছি. There are two parts in direct speech: reporting verb, reported verb. ডিরেক্ট স্পিচকে আমরা যখন ইনডিরেক্ট স্পিচকে নিয়ে যাব, চেঞ্জ করব, তখন আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে the changes depend on two matters, two things: past tense and then person. So ডিরেক্ট স্পিচকে ইনডিরেক্ট স্পিচ করতে গেলে দুটো মেজর চেঞ্জ হয়. One is tense, another is person. So it is now clear to you that speech can be changed from direct to indirect, and that depends on tense and person. What is direct speech? আমরা যে চেঞ্জ করব, ডিরেক্ট স্পিচকে ইনডিরেক্টে নিয়ে যাব, আগে জানতে হবে, আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে হোয়াট ইজ ডিরেক্ট স্পিচ. ডিরেক্ট স্পিচ রিপিটস, বক্তা যিনি কথা বলছেন সেই কথাটাকে পুনরাবৃত্তি করা, অর কোটস, উদ্ধৃত করা, দ্য এক্সাক্ট ওয়ার্ড স্পোকেন. হোয়াট এভার আই সে, ইউ সে. When we write this or say this, the same words, the exact words, those are the direct speeches. Direct speech repeats, পুনরাবৃত্তি করে, or quotes, উদ্ধৃত করে the exact words spoken. যে কথাগুলো বক্তা বলেছেন সেইগুলোকে সরাসরি যখন বলা হয় বা লেখা হয় তাকে আমরা বলছি ডিরেক্ট স্পিচ। When we use direct speech is writing, লেখার সময় যখন ডিরেক্ট স্পিচ ব্যবহার করছি, we place the words spoken between quotation marks, that is inverted comma. Inverted comma বা quotation marks এর মধ্যে আমাদের মেইন যে কথাটা আমাদের বলা হয়েছে স্পোকেন অলরেডি সেইটিকে আমরা তুলে দিব। And there is no change in these words. Whatever the speaker says, we quote the exact words. We quote the same words. Examples: first person, second person, third person. আমি রেখে there are 3 examples for you. I say to mother, I love you. These are the examples of direct speech. You say to your teacher, I tried hard to make a good result. This is the example of direct speech. Then the last one, he says to his friend, we are friends forever. Look carefully. These 3 sentences are here and their spoken words are remaining as they have spoken. I say to my mother, আমি আমার মাকে বলি, I love you. There is no change in this sentence or speech. What is indirect speech? I think you have now a clear idea about the direct speech. Then what is indirect speech? Indirect speech কি? Indirect speech will share the same information. Direct speech এ যে কথাগুলো বলা হয়েছে সেই সেম তথ্যই তোমাকে দেবে indirect speech. But instead of expressing someone's comments or speech by directly repeating them, এখানে যেমন আছে মাকে আমি বলছি I say to my mother I love you, but in direct speech এ এই তথ্যটাই I will present the same information but in a different way. It involves reporting or describing what was said. যা বলা হয়েছে সেইটিকে আমি প্রেজেন্ট করব, ডেসক্রাইব করব, রিপোর্ট করব, and there will be no quotation marks. Here are some examples. এই যে ডিরেক্ট স্পিচগুলো ছিল, I have changed them in the indirect speech. I say to my mother, I love you. I say to my mother that I love her. You say to your teacher, I try hard to make a good result. You say to your teacher that you try hard to make a good result. Last one, he says to his friend, we are friends forever. He says to his friends that they are friends forever. These we, it changed, and here we write they instead of we. How to change? Direct speech কে আমরা indirect speech এ চেঞ্জ করব। রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব যদি প্রেজেন্ট অ্যান্ড ফিউচার টেন্স থাকে, রিপোর্টেড ভার্ব রিমেইনস আনচেঞ্জড। রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব যদি পাস্ট টেন্স থাকে, reported verb is changed. Now you may ask me, what is reporting verb? What is reported verb? So now move to the board and I write some examples for you. Here are two examples. This section of the speech is called reporting verb. Say here is the reporting verb. Said here is the reporting verb. This portion is called reported speech or reported verb. What we have to do, reporting verb যদি present tense থাকে অথবা future tense থাকে, reported verb remains unchanged. So look at the board. This is present tense. So we have to do this. I say that I try to work for the poor. Then the second example, I said this is a past form of verb say. So I told that I tried to work for the poor. So I changed this verb to this. Here it was try, then I changed it into tried. So then we move to the rules of changing tense of reported speech. Reported speech change হয় আমরা বলছি reporting verb যদি past tense থাকে. So if the reporting verb is the past tense, what will be the changes? Present indefinite tense changes into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Present indefinite tense, I go. Past indefinite tense, I went. Present continuous tense, I am reading. Past continuous tense, I was reading. Present perfect tense, I have written. Past perfect tense, I had written. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been waiting. Past continuous tense, I had been reading, waiting. Past indefinite tense, I wrote, I had written. Past perfect tense গিয়ে কি হচ্ছে? I had written. Past continuous tense, I was waiting. Past perfect continuous tense, I had been waiting. Past perfect tense, there will be no change in the reported speech. Past perfect continuous tense, there will be no change. Future tense is changed in future in past tense. So you have to remember this. There is no other option. Only to remember to memorize this chart. If you want to write a narration correctly, to do a narration correctly, you have to memorize this. You have to keep it in your mind, keep in your head. Otherwise, you will not be able to change the narration. Types of sentence. Whenever we change the sentences, this type of sentence is important because rules differ for every type of sentence. প্রত্যেকটা সেন্টেন্সের জন্য narrationের রুল আলাদা হয়। তাহলে assertive sentence, example, we are now just looking at the different kind of sentence. Assertive sentence. Examples, Adian says Ronaldo is the best player in the world. এটিকে আমরা বলি assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence. Ishika says, is Ronaldo the best player in the world? Then imperative sentence. Adrika said to Adian, read attentively. Next, optative sentence. Famid said to Adian, may you shine in life. Exclamatory sentence. Adian said, hurrah, Brazil has won the World Cup. Before we go to the passage narration, we now look to some other examples. This is an example of assertive sentence. My teacher said, you read English seriously. My teacher said, inverted বা quotation mark এটি উঠে গিয়ে আমরা কি বসাই? That. You know it very well. Then my teacher read, হয়ে যাবে read. The spelling is same but the pronunciation is different. English seriously. My teacher said that I read English seriously. This is an example of assertive sentence. Then I move to the interrogative sentence. My mother said to me, are you hungry? You all know that when we work with interrogative sentence, B is converted into asked. My mother asked me. Inverted comma এগুলো উঠে যাচ্ছে, কি হচ্ছে? If or whether I was hungry. Then imperative sentence. Oppo said to his younger brother, read attentively. Imperative sentence এ আমরা কি বোঝাই? The request, the command, the order. Oppo is the elder brother and he said to his younger brother, read attentively. So this is an imperative sentence. He may order, he may request. So we can use request or order. Oppo ordered oblique requested his younger brother. Here we use to. Read attentively. So instead of that, we use to in the imperative sentence. Then the optative sentence. The sentences which expresses the prayer wishes for someone is usually called optative sentence. My teacher said to me, may you prosper in life. Wishes or prayers. So here my teacher prayed that I might prosper in life. Then the last one, exclamatory sentence. The baby said to its mother, what a nice bird. We can write another one. Alas, I am undone. These are the examples of exclamatory sentence. The sentences which expresses sorrow, wonder and joy. The baby exclaimed with joy that the bird was very nice. Similarly, the girl exclaimed with sorrow that she was undone. These are the examples of the types of sentences. How we can change this from direct to indirect. And you know there are some exceptional in every item, such as universal truth. চিরন্তন সত্য যেগুলো থাকে সেইগুলোর জন্যে there is no change in the tense, in the verb. Now we can move to a passage narration. I have already told you that this is a synopsis or summary of our previous classes. This is not an elementary class on narration, so you have to practice in your home. I just try to remind you the rules. A hawker said, "Will you buy any paper? I have all types of newspapers and magazine. Please take one from me. I buy books, but now I need a weekly." "Don't you have any weekly magazine?" says Shushmita. First of all, we have to identify the speaker. Here we have two speakers. One is Hawker, another is Shushmita. If we can differentiate the speakers, differentiate their speeches, it is easy to change the speeches. A hawker asked Shushmita if he would buy any paper. Look at the first sentence, first speech. A hawker said, "Will you buy any paper?" A hawker asked Shushmita if she would buy any paper. "I have all types of papers and magazine." He added that he had all types of papers and magazine. The hawker continues to talk. "Please take one from me." This is also the speech of the hawker. He further requested Shushmita or her to take one from him. Then comes Shushmita. Shushmita replied that she bought books, but then she needed a weekly. The last speech, "Don't you have any weekly magazine?" said Shushmita. She asked the hawker if he didn't have any weekly magazine. I hope I could help you to recollect the rules what we did in our previous classes. So practice makes perfect. You have to practice at home. There is no alternative. Have a nice day. Thank you all. Goodbye.